Hello YouTube, this is my roofing project, and this is where the roofing project meets the milling project with the Z-axis, and I needed to make an extra hole here in the hangers for the rain gutters, and I really couldn't think of any other way than to use the milling machine, so therefore I finished off the Z-axis last week, and I need now to drill the holes. And then it is just to put up the hangers on the roof, or maybe I did that already, I don't remember anymore. I shot that sequence with my mobile phone using this little camera rig there. Well, never mind. I have some spare time now, so let's fix a few things here. Let's start with the brake. So the brake is up here, it's that unit there, it's operated via that connector, and right now I have it operated via this switch, but it should be operated from the servo driver, so when the servo is enabled it should also release the brake, so it's kind of a parking brake. Two settings, PN004, 1, 2, 3, 4, that means use parking brake. Signal output 4, which is where I have connected this one. It should have the brake function, that is the one. And then I need to hook up this wire and replace the switch I had. And the switch is disconnected. Ta-da! It will be a bit awkward to test this, but we have to listen for the servo to be activated, and when I press here to activate Linux NC and the drivers and all that, then the servo driver should be activated and that should activate the brake. So let's see if that works. Obviously not. Everything shut down. That was a sleepless night. How is that even possible? I was awake the whole night thinking on how can that be that it... So when I switch that drives on off button there, that energizes this row of drives, the ground leakage circuit interrupter breaker that tripped, and also the fuse that tripped too. So that was it was a short of some kind. How can that be? It cannot be because I just moved or changed this cable, then this one had evaporated or something. And did it do that? It's completely fine. So I was going through the circuitry and doubting myself and all that, but yeah, it was good that I just walked away from it, because one get a little bit wind up when things like that happen. On the other hand, I'm a bit tired. Anyways, we have to dive into it and see what's wrong. Yeah, nothing there. I didn't touch this, but anyways, there's nothing there. Oh, aha, so this is a protective ground. I think this has shortened. Yeah, I can even see a small flash mark, or I think that was the key to it, yeah. So I just ta-da, there it goes. Okay, so I'll better fix that right now. So there is a protective earth, PE it's called, to the motor, and it should be in there, but I know that the motor is ground in another way through the milling machine, so I didn't bother about that, but It shouldn't. Short anyway, yeah. There is a mark there, you can see that perhaps. Yeah, okay, it was good that it was not worse than that. Maybe I should go up to the sofa and take a nap now. Many days later, it is time to check out the brake and make it work. Linux NC has been freshly restarted. It isn't homed or anything. It is just started. So I guess it is time to do that enable thing here. First, let's switch on all the fans. Yeah, and the fans on the servo drives are running, so I think that is working. So now we are going to test this. Do I have my flashlight here? I think it will work. So I press enable and we should hear a click from the brake. I hear a click from the brake. Can I now operate? For some reason there are no positioning buttons here on the top screen before it is homed, but I can operate here with a pendant. So it should work. Brake off, right? Yeah. No problem. It follows a little bit better, so that is a typical sign of bad battery. And I press disable. Does the parking brake engage? It surely does. Okay. Okay, enough of that. So it works. On to the next thing then. Well, that's all for this short update. Thanks for watching.